Hello everyone, I have come with a nice viral math problem. If you want, you can find answer yourself first. You can write in the comments. Okay, let's start. We'll give you two different solutions. One, two. Let's start the first solution. First, subtraction. 30 minus 9 equals 21. Now, division. 21 divided 3 equals 7. Parentheses. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Finally, multiplication. 7 times 2 equals 24. If you solve the problem this way, you made a mistake. Because when solving the problem, we should have paid attention to order of operation. The order of operation is coded as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, A stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here we have another rule. There is no order multiplication and division. Operation are done from left to right. Similarly, there is no order addition and subtraction. Operation are done from left to right. Left to right. Okay, now let's solve the equation according to the rule. Please like the video. Thanks for like. First parenthesis, 4 minus 2 equals 2. Now there are subtraction, division, multiplication. First, division and multiplication. From left to right, first division. 9 divided 3, 3. Multiplication, 3 times 2 equals 6. Finally, subtraction, 30 minus 6 equals 24. The correct answer will be 24. Great job! Today we learned the wrong answer and correct answer and the rule behind it. I hope it makes sense now. We reached the end of our video. Now solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments. Let's see if you can find the correct answer. Subscribe from the logo on the screen for new videos. You can check out other videos from the boxes next to it. See you in the next video.